Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Android users will be happy after watching this video because it is tricky for them. There's a feature that many Android users doesn't know, and here we have these great features that every Android user should know about. If you have an Android phone, I will show you how to easily double your battery life and make it last much longer. To do this, you just need to do a few adjustments in the main settings. Just follow along with me. First, go to the tab named Apps. Tap on it, then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Now tap on Permission Manager. Here you'll see this list of important permissions, but what we need is the permission called Nearby Devices. Go ahead and open it. Now, tap again on the three dots on the top right corner, then tap on Show System. From this list, you need to find the app named Personal Data Intelligence. You may find two of them if you have a double profile, just like I do. Tap on it, then set it to Don't Allow. Tap on Don't Allow anyway. Now go back one step and do the same thing to the app named Android Setup. Just tap on it and set it to Don't Allow. Last thing, go to the app named Android System Intelligence and remove the nearby device permissions. Now after setting these features, then you can now see the experience of the best of your phone. So sometimes when you set these features on your phone, you would be like you are having a new phone. So it is a great thing that every Android user should know about this. So I hope you love this and try it now. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.